Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses eastern Colorado, southern Nebraska, and much of Kansas. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Kearney, Nebraska, Garden City, Kansas, and Hastings, Nebraska. There's a slight tomorrow covering far southeastern Wyoming, far southwestern South Dakota, eastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, southwestern Iowa, and northwestern Missouri. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. And there are two dark green areas for tomorrow. Which are the marginal risk areas, alright? The dark green areas are the marginals, okay? Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Amarillo, Texas, Salt Lake City, Utah, and Fort Collins, Colorado. Alright? Now going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses northeastern Colorado, much of Nebraska, and northern Kansas. Well, northern half of Kansas, I should say. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, and Grand Island, Nebraska. There is a 2% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses eastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, far northeastern New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, northwestern Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, parts of Nebraska, and southwestern South Dakota. The 2% tornado risk area for tomorrow includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Amarillo, Texas, and Overland Park, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for strong tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF2 tomorrow, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for EF2 tornadoes or stronger tomorrow, alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0 to EF1, alright? Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF2 or higher. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and North Platte, Nebraska. Going to tomorrow's wind threat now, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses southern Nebraska and parts of Kansas. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Kearney, Nebraska, Hastings, Nebraska, and Hays, Kansas. There is a 15% chance for damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses parts of Nebraska, far southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, parts of Kansas, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, far northwestern Oklahoma, and eastern Colorado. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Meanwhile, there are two brown areas for tomorrow. The brown areas are the 5% wind risk areas, alright? The brown is the 5% wind risk. So, cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Amarillo, Texas, Salt Lake City, Utah, and West Valley City, Utah. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane-force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour tomorrow from thunderstorms. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane-force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Really? Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Amarillo, Texas. Alright? Now to tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering eastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, and western, central, and northwestern Kansas. The only city listed in the 30% hail risk tomorrow is Garden City, Kansas. Alright? Garden City, Kansas is the only city listed in the 30% hail risk. Alright? There is a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering far southwestern Wyoming, far southwestern South Dakota, most of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, eastern Colorado, and a little bit of the Oklahoma Panhandle. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, Dodge City, Kansas, North Platte, Nebraska, and Hastings, Nebraska. There's a brown area here. The brown area is a 5% hail risk, alright? The brown is the 5% hail risk for tomorrow, alright? Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow within the black dashed. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area for tomorrow include Fort Collins, Colorado, Greeley, Colorado, Loveland, Colorado, Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Brighton, Colorado. In summary, severe thunderstorms are likely across portions of the central plains vicinity from Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Large to very large hail, severe winds, some 75 plus miles per hour, and tornadoes are possible. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.